Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Title: Troubleshooting Guide, Python program keeps returning false. Introduction. When working with Python, it's not uncommon to encounter situations where your code consistently returns false when you expect a different outcome. This tutorial will help you diagnose and resolve the common reasons behind this issue. We'll provide explanations and code examples for each scenario. Logical comparison error. Often, a Python program returns false because of a logical comparison error. Ensure that your comparisons are correctly structured. Example: syntax error. A syntax error can cause the program to halt, and the result will be false in the sense that the code could not execute successfully. Review your code for any syntax errors. Example: uninitialized variables. If you are using a variable before assigning a value to it, it will often return false or an unintended value. Initialize your variables before use. Example: function return value. Verify the return value of a function you're calling. If it returns false, it might be the source of your issue. Example: misunderstanding of Python's truthiness. Python has a concept of truthiness where some values evaluate as false, even though they aren't explicitly false or zero. Be aware of these cases when working with conditional statements. Example: exception handling. If your code contains exceptions that are caught and handled, the program might continue execution and return false as an indicator of the handling process. Example: misplaced not. Check if you have used the not operator inappropriately, which can invert the logic. Example: unexpected input. Review your code for unexpected input that might be causing your program to return false. Make sure your data meets the expected format. Example: conclusion. When your Python program keeps returning false, it's essential to carefully inspect your code for logical, syntax, and data-related issues. Debugging tools and print statements can be your allies in identifying and resolving these problems. By understanding the common reasons behind this issue, you can effectively troubleshoot and fix your code, ensuring it behaves as expected. ChatGPT.